Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Kwik. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kwiktrip.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kwik website. Now from the homepage, if you proceed with logging into your account, then you will notice that there is no option to change your email address, but only an option to change your phone number. So from the homepage, scroll all the way down and you will see the Contact Us button. Go ahead and click on it and then scroll down and then click on General/Other within the category option. You will now be allowed to create your ticket. Go ahead and type in your first and your last name followed by your phone number and your email address that you used to sign up for your account. Now underneath within the comment/question box, you can simply type in that you don't find an option to change your email address and you wish to change your email address. After typing in your query, click on the submit button and this will send the contact form to the support team. Just wait for a few days until you receive a response and then you can follow the steps within in order to change your email address. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to change your email address on your Kwik account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.